children, today we will know something more about this topic. Just see, there was a place Pearl Harbor in America, and Japan invaded in Pearl Harbor, due to which America was forced to join World War II. And then we were talking about 9/11 incident, and we have seen that this was the act and incident which was given in practice, that was from Al-Qaeda. And then after Bill Clinton, the leadership which came in the USA was George W. Bush. Yani after Bill Clinton, who became the president of America? George W. Bush. And we have seen that Bill Clinton was having a soft policy he adopted, but George W. Bush was having a ferocious views. Ferocious views means he was not a soft, having a soft personality, means if there will be any loss of his country or the people, he will take revenge of it. And then he declared that the global war on terror. Before declaring this, he did not take the permission of a United Nations also, he did not follow the international law, but he declared it because of the 9/11 incident, and the people belonging from other world, they were just afraid of this announcement, because if the America is announcing this is that means a lot. Then he declared, and then he declared an operation. The name of that operation was Operation Enduring Freedom. And Operation Enduring Freedom means to become free from the fear of Al-Qaeda. And when Barack Obama came to the power, he changed the name of this operation, and he told that he kept this name, that Operation Enduring Sentinel. He changed only the name, but the target was same. What was the target? Target was to make the world free from the fear or terror of the Al-Qaeda. And this operation continued to work till 30 years. And it was due to this operation that Osama bin Laden was killed and which went to Pakistan to hide himself, and he was killed there. Then he was thrown in the water. And then the Operation Enduring Sentinel, its target was also the same, that is to end the terror of the Al-Qaeda. And Guantanamo Bay, this is a secret jail. What is this? This is a secret jail. It is in Cuba. In Cuba, USA is having its naval base, and there in Guantanamo Bay jail, who are kept the people who are suspected to be included into 9/11 incident. The USA has planned to capture the people from those type of people from the countries like Afghanistan, Philippines, Somalia, Sahara, Kyrgyzstan and Georgia, because he thought and he thinks that the America thinks that in these countries Al-Qaeda के अड्डे हैं, इसलिए उन्होंने ऐसे लोग वहाँ से ऐसे लोगों को बंदी बनाया जो कि उस 9/11 के इंसिडेंट से रिलेटेड है. And according to USA, USA did not take the permission of the United Nations also. He did not follow the international rule or international law also, and he captured the people from in these countries, and the people of these countries means the government of these countries have not been informed, and there is no law there, means the people are not for means इन जेलों में ना तो अमेरिका का कोई लॉ चलता है, ना ही उस कंट्री का लॉ चल रहा है जहाँ से जिस कंट्री से ये एक्यूजर्स बिलोंग करते हैं, ना ही यूनाइटेड नेशन का कोई लॉ चल रहा है. यूनाइटेड नेशन ने कुछ मानवाधिकार के लोगों ने वहाँ पे पिटीशन दायर की, जिसकी वजह से यूनाइटेड नेशन ने ये बोला कि यूएसए को चाहिए कि वो जो उनको फ्री कर दे, बट यूएसए ने उनकी कोई बात नहीं मानी और उनको फ्री नहीं किया. उनकी जो लाइफ है, उनकी जो वहाँ पे सर्वाइवल बहुत मुश्किल है, क्योंकि देयर इज नो फैसिलिटी, दे आर जस्ट टॉर्चर्ड देयर. Children, now today let's know about the invasion of Iraq. all know that the United States of America declared World War against terror, and according to that operation, it was against Iraq. USA invaded on 19th March 2003. As we know that he was going through some operations, then again he declared one operation. The name was that Operation Iraqi Freedom. Here the name is freedom. Freedom is to make someone free from some unwanted barriers. But here freedom is not from unwanted barriers, but it is the declaration of invasion against Iraq. When the world came to know that USA has declared war against Iraq, the countries of the world, they did not favor this decision. They went against it, and even the countries who were the allies of the United States of America, they were also not in the favor, and they started to take out rallies against this decision. And we can see that France is there, Germany is there, and New Zealand is there. They are the allies countries of the United States of America, but they also refused this decision, and they were against this decision, and people belonging from these countries, they started to take out many rallies. We can take the example of Rome also. In Rome, 3 million people take out the rally, and which is the very biggest rally in the history of Rome, and they took this rally against the declaration of the war against Iraq, which was declared by USA. Then what was the reason why the United States of America attacked, and what the reason he gave? The United States of America gave the reason that Iraq is having the nuclear weapon for mass destruction. That's why he declared that. That's why USA declared that it is needed to invade on Iraq, because it can destroy the people in the large masses, in the large numbers. And then the second reason was that the USA gave that Saddam Hussein is there, who is giving support to the terrorists. That's why this was the second reason the US gave for attacking on Iraq. And it also asked for the permission that is mandated from the United Nations, but United Nations did not give permission for this war. But though we know that the United Nations is an international organization, everyone has to follow the orders and the rules of the international law also, United Nations also. But we also know that America is a very powerful country, and in the United Nations also USA is dominating. So United Nations की इस mandate ना देने का उसके ऊपर कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा, and USA made a coalition of the armies, and America included 40 countries, 40 countries को उसने जो coalition बनाया, means 40 countries की armies, 40 countries से help लेकर उनकी armies को लेकर, उनके जो है armed persons and soldiers and उनके forces को लेकर उसे एक coalition बनाया, and उस coalition से जो है अमेरिका ने क्या किया कि अमेरिका invaded on 9th April. And 9th April तक Baghdad, the forces of USA reached to Baghdad, and then there was a war between Iraq and America, and there was a big destruction, but it could not find any type of weapon which was supposed to be for the mass destruction, and the result was that it gave that on 1st May George W. Bush declared end of invasion, and 1st May को उसने end declare कर दिया. But when you are going to study deep in all types of war, then you can find that the war was not for the searching the weapon for mass destruction, but the reason was that to suppress the Iraq and to take the oil from the Iraq. and for that purpose, when the critics have told that this was the main reason why the USA invaded on Iraq, and USA also wanted to dominate, as we have seen that America wanted to show the hegemony, that is supremacy over other countries, and for this purpose USA attacked on Iraq. That's all for today, children. Thank you.